Let's all learn our ABCs with awesome animals. A is for alligator, alligator, A, alligator. See the alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, B, bear, B, bear, B, bear. Big strong bear goes stomp, stomp, stomp. C is for cheetah, 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 cheetah. Fast, fast cheetah runs so quick. D is for dolphin, 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 dolphin. Happy dolphins jump and flip. E is for eagle, eagle, eagle. Soaring high up in the sky. F is for fox, F fox, F fox. Sneaky fox is sly and smart. G's for gorilla, gorilla, gorilla. Gorilla beats his chest, thump, thump. H is for hippo, hippo. Big fat hippo splashes, splash. I is for iguana, iguana. Iguana climbs up high and still. J is for jaguar, jaguar. Jaguar sneaks through jungle leaves. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. Bouncing high with boing, boing, boing. L is for lemur, lemur. Lemur leaps from tree to tree. M is for monkey, monkey. Monkey swings and laughs out loud. N is for narwhal, narwhal swims with a magic horn. O is for owl, owls hoot hoot in the night. P is for penguin, penguin. Waddle, waddle on the ice. Q is for quokka, quokka. Smiling quokka says hello. O is for rhino, rhino. Rhino runs with a mighty charge. S is for shark, shark. Shark swims fast with a splash. T is for tiger, tiger. Roaring loud through the trees. U is for Uriel, Uriel. Mountain sheep climb up so high. V is for vulture, vulture. Vulture flies in the bright blue sky. W is for wolf, wolf howls under the moon. X is for X-ray, fish, X-ray, fish, X, see-through fish swims in the deep. Y is for yak, yak with shaggy hair says hi. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra trots with black and